Think your French is good? Here are 7 mistakes English speakers often make. Let's fix them together. Mistake 1. I'm hot. In French, never say je suis chaud. It sounds strange. The correct way is
J'ai chaud. J'ai chaud.
next. I miss you. You might say je te manque. But in French, it works differently.
Tu me manques. Tu me manques.
Number 3. I'm good. Je suis bien? Not quite. In French, say
Je vais bien.
mistake number 4.
Can I have?
Puis-je avoir is technically correct but too formal. It's more natural to say
Je voudrais. Je peux avoir.
5th mistake. I'm used to. Don't say.
Je suis utilisé à.
That means I'm being used. Instead say,
Je suis habitué à.
what about he's doing a mistake?
Il fait une erreur. Il se trompe.
Both are better than faire une faute. Last one, I'm excited. Careful here. In French, it's safer to say,
J'ai hâte. Ou je suis enthousiaste.
French has some tricky parts, but now you know better. Want to improve faster? Subscribe, and I'll guide you every week.